what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim, back again with another great amazing vlog. And this vlog of today is all about the forest. As I said guys, on my Instagram I posted this, and you remember I went back to the woods there at the coffee plantation. It's so great. So I think today we can take a tour there so as it can be more cinematic. So I'm at Osman's place here, and man, he's killing it with his own kind of creativity of photography. This person is not from this universe. Now let us just share with you guys some b-roll here so as you can see what his workflow. So yeah, enjoy the vlog of today. Yo, what's happening everyone? Actually, sound and stuff like that, don't ask me where I am. I'm actually out here. I'm heading to the coffee plantation, definitely. So I had to not record any footage on the way of me going to the coffee plantation. And guess who I'm having here? I'm having Uncle here. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is Uncle.
How are you? Yes.
Good. Okay, as I said guys, I'm going for the coffee plantation. These people need to see you.
Hi.
Yeah, that's what's up. So I'm just going there to the coffee plantation. After that, you guys will go see what's going to happen over there. So yeah, catch you there. I'm like taking a little bit of great kind of cinematic because I just saw Shim there, so I asked him if I can just take him a little bit of cinematic. So he feels like, so he's like, yeah, let us just do it. And I'm like, let's just kill it. So yeah. Yeah, that's what's up. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's so great. I don't know why ninahema sana, but I think it's just that I've been riding bicycle. I didn't take water. I'm not hydrated. I think I have to get hydrated. But I hope you guys, you're having a good day, since me, I'm having a good day, an amazing great day, and you guys having the best one. So yeah, I'm still here in the woods. I'm almost reaching at the coffee plantation. Yeah. So I've just reached out here guys, and it's so great. As you can see, it's very longer. If you want to guys see how much longer the whole road looks like, I can show you how it looks like. Let me adjust some lights here. So if you want to see how much the route of the road just looks like, it's so long, man. It's freaking long. Let me just go with you guys. So as you can see, so baby, Sean, he's I don't know, he got stuck. So let me just share with you guys something here. As you can see, if on this spot you guys see, you see the road there. My finger where I'm pointing, the light is busting me. Let me adjust ISO. Okay, as you can see guys, from there, the whole road, you have to go all the way there. So it's very longer. It's like you leave the airport. Aside the airport, there's an upper road going this way. After you going on that road, then you come all the way till here at the coffee plantation. So it's so amazing here in the woods. It's a place whereby in Arusha it looks very great to my own aspect. Very nice, very calm, and very great. So yeah, that's what's up. So let us just go all the way there so as I can share with you guys something else. Yeah. So as you can see me guys, I'm actually reaching here out at the woods. I'm still here, and something which is so great, I'm so excited, and the nature is so pleasant. It looks very great and so amazing, and yeah, that's what's up. So it's been like a little bit tougher for me shooting video on my own self. As you can see me guys, I'm just here out on my own self, so I just have to shoot all the footage, the walkthrough, the one which I'm going and stuff like that, which is so great out there like in Arusha, and you're looking forward to do vlogs, because there are people who come into vlogging and they don't find it interesting and they quit vlogging as quick as fast, because they think that success on YouTube comes tomorrow in the morning. Getting 1 million views comes tomorrow in the morning, something which it doesn't work like that. So if you're planning to come on the game of YouTube and share your content, and you expect tomorrow in the morning to become famous, well, I can tell you that doesn't sound like that. It sounds like a process. You have to go stage, forth and forth, so as you can get that thing which you would like. So like how I said it, success on YouTube doesn't come that much easy. So if you're thinking that you can jump up front on YouTube, it's not quite a bad thing. It's actually 100% great. So it's too many cars passing here. Don't just get frightened, the sound and stuff like that. It's so great, and I'm enjoying staying out here. It's so calm, peace. You find the inner peace when you are somewhere far away out in town. So as I said guys, success on YouTube doesn't come easy. You have to be patient and you have to trust the process, and you have to ask yourself one question: why did you choose YouTube for the first place? Is it the place whereby you just want to get famous, or is your friend making videos you got inspired from? Another sound. As I say, just pumped because your friend is on YouTube? Are you only just pumped because you want to make videos, or are you just pumped because you feel like filmmaking, creating content is your thing? Now you have just to set up yourself and think that YouTube is for me, or YouTube is not for me, or YouTube is a platform whereby I can share my workflow so as people can see it and they can give you a good critique, which is something which is so great to my own aspect. So yeah. So guys, I'm still out here, and it's so great. I came throughout the road all the way till here. It was something which is so great to me, and I just had to go and ask the security that, you guys, do you allow me just to get pictures and get videos if you don't mind? And they just said, yeah, you can just take videos, you can just do whatever you gotta do, but just don't go out of bounds. So I was like, yeah, that's what's up. So I won't go out of bound. I keep myself on the same cycle which I wanna keep myself into. So I was like so excited into this kind of stuff. So hello.
Hello, hi.
How are you?
I'm fine.
You good?
Yeah.
Wow, you got a nice cape.
Oh,
I like your cape.
you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like the way you talk.
Oh, nice. Wow, that's good. What's your name?
My name is Irene.
Oh, nice to meet you, Irene. My name is Abdul.
Okay.
Yeah.
Dula.
Yeah, you can call me Dula. You can. Yeah, that's great. Okay, nice, Irene, to meet you.
Okay.
So you heading home?
No, I'm just walking.
Oh, you're taking a walk.
Yeah.
That's good. That's good.
Okay.
Okay, nice to meet you, Irene. Have a good day.
Okay.
Stay positive.
Okay, thank you.
That's good.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, if you feel like interesting, you're living in Arusha, don't hesitate to get pumped and come here. It will make something which you'll just feel yourself that I'm finding my inner peace. I'm finding myself in a great place whereby I want to. Sometimes when you feel like giving yourself a break, you just have to give yourself a break. Yeah, that's what's up. So thank you guys for watching. If you love this video, make sure that you hit that thumbs up, and if you didn't subscribe, make sure that you just get subscribed. I'll really appreciate that. And last but not least, I'll be catching you guys on the next vlog. Peace. Signing out. Yeah.